Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Pro, that's the BES 878BTR, and the Jura E4, right?
Yep, both espresso machines, but they're pretty different. The Breville is semi-automatic, and the Jura is super-automatic. Big difference in user involvement.
Right, so with the Breville, you're doing more tamping, controlling the extraction, dot more hands-on. It's got that integrated grinder, though, which is nice. Its dimensions are 13.5 dx 13.9 wx 16 inches h, and it weighs 19.5 pounds.
The Jura E4 is all about pushing a button. It grinds, tamps, brews. Everything is automated. It's a bit bigger and heavier at 11 dx 17.6, wx 13.8, h and 22 pounds. The Jura is really focused on black coffee specialties.
Makes sense. The Breville has that thermojet heating system. Heats up in like 3 seconds. Pretty quick. And the dimension are 13.5 dx 13.9 wx 16 inches h.
Jura uses what they call a pulse extraction process, supposedly for optimal coffee quality. Plus, their professional aroma grinder is supposed to last a long time.
What about capacity? The Breville's got a 67-ounce water tank and a half-pound bean hopper.
The Jura is a little smaller, 64-ounce water tank and a 10-ounce bean container, so not a huge difference there.
Price-wise, the Breville is way cheaper, around $680. The Jura E4 clocks in at $1,299. Ouch.
Yeah, big jump, but you're paying for that automation and convenience. The Jura is all about minimal effort.
The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing wand, so you can actually make latte art.
The Jura E4 doesn't do milk drinks automatically. It focuses on espresso, coffee, ristretto, and lungo.
Okay, so if you want to control the process and potentially save some money, the Breville Barista Pro seems like a good bet. If you just want a quick, easy espresso with minimal fuss, then the Jura E4 is the way to go, if you're willing to pay.
Exactly. It's all about what you value more. Control and a lower price, or convenience and automation.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.